everyone, Tim from Bossy Garage, and in today's video we are going to be installing a rear lighting kit in the boot or trunk of my 2022 Tesla Model 3. So Tesla do actually make a lighting kit for the front of the Model 3, which I haven't bought because I actually don't use the front very much at all, but I do use the boot quite a lot. And this is quite a deep boot or trunk, that's what the Americans call it, for the car. There's only one little tiny light up in there which doesn't really illuminate anything, and there's no light on the other side. But this kit here, I got this from Hansshow. I'll put a link to a code in the description and the bottom of the video here. And what this is a flexible LED light designed to wrap around the opening of the trunk, and it has this little wiring harness here. We're going to use this to tap into the existing light which is in the boot of the car, and that way that will only come on when that light is on. So what we need to do is make sure that we install this intercept cable into where the trunk light is. We're going to use a little pry tool just to flick it open. Actually, what I'm going to do, I've already put this sort of carpet lining aftermarket part there. It's kind of easy just to pull the carpet down like that, and that way, forgive me, we can get access to the back of the light. You can see the light in the back connector there. To get that off, you just squeeze the little black connector off and install that in between. We've plugged it all back in together. The light's still on there. This is active now, and this is the LED light strip that will go around the back. So with any luck, if I plug this in, that should light up as well. Let's try that. Alright, well, it doesn't work at the moment, but apparently this is a common problem when you plug anything into the trunk light. It's very sensitive, the car, to any changes in current, so it's tripped a virtual fuse, which apparently takes about an hour or two to reset itself. I'm impatient, so we're actually just going to go ahead and install the rest of the ambient lighting into the trunk. The way it works is, if you look really closely, that flat edge there, okay, there's no light coming out of that. Turn it around, that there is where the light comes out from. So what we're going to do is we are going to tuck the LED strip just in and around underneath the rubber seal of the trunk. And yeah, when the fuse resets itself, it should look all good. And that is the installation all done. Kind of. The length of it is, can you see how it's overlapping there? Only like an inch or so, a couple of centimeters. So there's probably a way I can tuck that in behind the fabric lining there. With this car, I did add extra carpet insulation thing, whatever, and I think that's made it a little bit harder to tuck the LED strip in underneath it. There's a little bit of a bump here, again because of the extra carpety whatever I've put in, but the rest of it, very easy. Just lift up the rubber, slide it in there like that, and even in here there's still a tiny bit of a gap, so we should get a bit of lighting running all the way around the bottom of the trunk as well. So the light here at the moment, it is still off, but the one on that side is still working. So we're going to come back in an hour or two, and hopefully that fuse is reset, and we can see the effect of the ambient trunk lighting kit. I've been patient, I've waited an hour. Hopefully the fuse is reset. Let's see if it worked. Oh yeah, cool. A bit hard to tell during the daytime, but yeah, the LED light does light up all the way around quite nicely. There's here, I'm going to find a way to tuck that in maybe a little bit better. And if I didn't have, you can actually see the outline of this other aftermarket sort of cup thing. If I didn't have that there, that would probably fit a lot better up on the top too. I'll take another video later in the evening at night time, see how much brighter it gets. If you want one of these, click the link in the description or use my code down there and you can grab one of these kits yourself from Hansshow. Yeah, I've had a few Hansshow products now, really fast delivery to me here in Australia, about 1 week from Hong Kong or China or wherever it's coming from. Great products, always work. And yeah, there we go. Rear ambient lighting kit for your Tesla Model 3. Also got it for the Model Y. Get into it. I'm Tim from Bozzy Garage. Check you in the next video.